Welcome to Baker Family SA!
Woo!
Gary, Tahila, Hope. Right, we are going to do the Mentos and Coke experiment. Apparently, my wife says that it's not bad at all and nothing much is going to happen. All we do is we open this up, put some Mentos inside there, and it bubbles over a little bit. We don't quite believe it, do we?
No, not really.
But we're going to try it anyway and see what happens. Right, so firstly you need, what is this? Coke Light or Zero. Right. We open that up. Right. We don't want to waste it all, so we have a sip each. Have a sip. Right. Whoa, 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 not too much. You have a sip there. Okay. That's my family. Right, now give me all of these guys over here. We need to drop them all in at the same time. So we're gonna make a little tubey kind of thing.
Tila, hold it for Dad.
And it bubbles over just a little bit, just like Mommy said, just a little bit of bubbling over it. That's what you call a Coke and Mentos smut rocket. Smells like Coke.
That happened so fast!
Okay, so we didn't expect that to react like that so quickly. And that's how you do the Coke and Mentos.
Bye!
See you next time.